Hi all, today I will show you how to connect your Linux machine using Putty. So what is Putty? Putty is a software which allows us to connect to the Linux machine from your Windows machine. So we require a software, we use Putty for that. So to download a Putty, I will open a Google Chrome and the website is putty.org. Okay. Download Putty here. I will click here. My system is 64-bit. I already shown you how to check that. Window R ms info32.exe. System summary page is showing x64. Okay. So in this way you can check your system is 64-bit or 32-bit. So mine is 64-bit. So I will download this one MSI. Okay, it's getting download over here. Is download done. I will execute this. Click on next. Here C drive program file Putty, correct. Install, yes. Okay, I don't want to do readme file, finish. Okay, now Putty is in my system and here is my virtual box. Redhat 7 is running on this. Okay, password. Here if you can see, mine IP is 192.168.0.26. So I am minimizing this and I will open a Putty, Putty Putty. Here I will type IP 192.168.0.26. Okay, open, login as root, password of that root user. Okay, I am connected. So I am keeping this terminal here. Right click on this, new session. Now I am going to some setting of this 192.168.0.26. Okay. So I am removing this old session what I have. Delete. Okay. This is my IP of the server. If you want to enable the logging, it will create a log file. Whatever command you are executing using this Putty, it will going to save in this putty.log. Okay, if you enable that. So it's saying none, all session output. So whatever command I will execute, so it will get recorded in this. Okay, if you want to browse this, it's in documents. Okay, then we will go appearance. Is showing cursor. I don't want to change cursor, pointer and this font and font. Okay, I am changing a font. So click on change. I want to do bold and size of that is 14. Okay, and if you want to change this, you can change this, but I don't want to change. It's up to you. Okay, so font will be changed. Behavior I don't want to change. Color, foreground color, currently foreground is white and background is black, but if you want to do foreground, click on modify, foreground is black. Okay, and default background is currently black, so I am doing white. Okay, just replacing that. Connection, then data. Auto login username. If you want to use the same username every time, so you can pass here, so it will use by default root. Okay, I don't have any proxy. Telnet SSH is not required for me. Okay, when we use key system, we have to pass the key over here, but currently we are not using any key. Okay, and this is a serial, we are not changing anything here. Okay, we are back in this. So if you want to save this session key, every time it will take the session, this just give a name, home server, and save it. So it's here. So next time you don't need to type IP anything, just say. So I will use Putty, Putty, and I will open my save session. I don't want to type IP again, so I will show home server and click on open. See, I don't want to type username, it's directly prompting me a password of that root user. So font change, background color change, foreground color change. Okay, and this way you can change it and save the session for next time onwards. Okay, we can execute a command. Okay, then to exit it we can type exit, exit. Done. Or so this Putty app, opening this home server, logging is enable. I am doing enable. I am going to save this in a documents. I already created putty.log file, so path is here. Okay, session, this one, open. Yes, login is enabled. Root, username, password of that root user, ls-l. I will do pwd and uptime df-h. These are the command I will explain you later, but is just for showing you the logging process. Okay, so we'll go to documents, putty.log. Let's open this. See the login, then it prompt for password. Here we enter twice, then ls-l command I have executed over here, then pwd, uptime, and df-h. So if you want to create a document using this, if you want to save any setting, like you are performing some critical activity and for the next time onwards you want to make a document or you want to save the command, you can start enabling enable this logging. Then it will logs every command and the output of that command. It will capture whole screen and all the commands in this. So in that way you can create this and use this for further. Okay, so this is a way you can use it. So what you can do, you can stay logging. Okay, over terminal you can change the sound of this, but we don't use. Appearance, you can change the font and color of that screen. Behavior, you have a connection, and the connection you have data. Auto login, like I have mentioned root, so it automatically taking a root user. If I type Amit, it will take automatically Amit. Okay, and we can save session over here, like I have saved this, so no need to type again and again IP. And port is 22 always, because Linux system is get connected over port number 22. Okay, so don't change this port number. I will tell you that these things later, it will come to your course. So today's session is for Putty session only. So that's over for today. See you in the next video with we will use Putty and RHL7, all the things. Okay, so thanks all, goodbye.